So this is a table service extension. It's part of the different domain. There
Okay.
is a service order domain, right?
Yeah.
So there is a table called service extension, and this is the column, right? If I look at some records here, so there are some records, right? And the value is yes here. If you see this one. Okay. So let me ping this to you first. Now what we need to do is in the code, you probably need to find out if there is a DTO object, right, for this table, right,
Okay.
so that you can access the column, right?
Yeah. And then
Let me
see
do
if
that.
so this is for the old the last story, right?
Yeah. So in the morning we were talking about, right, the order source field is probably not good enough, right?
Yeah.
Just to rely on that. So this is the column, right, and the table. So this table will have the value populated with the circuit migration yes.
Okay.
In case if it is a migrated order.
Okay. So
So we can use that now.
we can use this and the order
Instead of
source both.
order source, we can rely on that one.
Okay. So if the circuit migration is yes, then only proceed.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. Got it.
But the thing is, this is a different table, right? So you will have to find the DTO.
Okay.
There is a code also to implement this change. If you like to look at the code, let me. So there is a future branch called. Let me ping this one, right? You can find the implementation of this change.
Okay.
Just to know, the DTO object, right? The table object that is being used.
Okay.
Okay. So you can probably just browse through that code to understand, what they have done
Okay.
to populate that.
To get the table from the
But
other service into my
yeah,
service. Yeah.
but for our change, all we need to do is be able to access that object
Yeah.
and then look at the value, right? What is the value that is populated, and then accordingly set the status, right?
Okay. So if the circuit migration status is yes, I'll proceed. Otherwise, it
Yeah.
it
Otherwise, it will be kind of a BAU.
okay, business as usual. Okay, got it.
Okay.
So what about
Let
the
me see.
yeah, sure.
Let me see. I think service ID, right? So there is a relation. I'll tell you. Okay. Sorry, service ID, right? Let me get this one of service ID. There are a couple of them. So if I go in the trail table, right? I think the trail table has a service ID column, hopefully. Let me see which table has that. Okay, there is no. Let me check the other one. Okay. Yeah. So this XNC has, right? So this table has it.
Okay, yeah, that table
Okay.
has.
So XNC table has the column service ID, right? And there is a service extension dot service ID. and there is a circuit migration column. So this table has so there is a relation you can maybe so you have to get the new object,
Okay.
right? You can use that service ID from the
Okay. There is a relation between those two. Okay.
yeah. So you can probably use that. Let me see. Just to trail the object that you have, right? That let me see which object is that. Extensity, yeah. So you have the handle on that one.
Correct.
So you can get the service ID from that,
Mm-hmm.
and then you'll have to see how you can get the. There might be service extension DTO. Maybe find out, what object is there.
Uh-huh. Okay.
So you can use similar function, right? Like you can pass on the service ID from the XNC object, right?
Yeah.
And then get the that service extension object and then use that. Okay.
Okay. Got it. Got it. I can do that.
Yeah. So that was the update from my side.
Okay. Okay. Sure, Anand.
Let me see if there is anything else. Okay. Yeah. No. So don't rely on order source itself. Okay.
Okay. Got it.
I mean,
So
don't even use the order source
okay,
now.
I won't use the order source. Got it.
Yeah.
Also, like
All right. Sure.
Anand, so the story that we have from the morning, so that upon order completion, the circuit status will be changed to in effect. We have to do something similar to what we did last week, right? So find out what are the conditions when the order is completed, and then
No. That service has no effect. There is no change to that one.
okay. So
For order completion, right? There is no impact to that.
okay.
I think you already looked at, right? I was asking you
Uh-huh.
whether it is looking at the current status, right?
Yeah.
And you said no, it's not even looking at the status, right?
That is correct. Yeah. Correct.
So there is no impact to that service.
Okay. So we don't have to make any
whatever
changes.
method that you have identified
Uh-huh.
within that method itself,
Uh-huh.
all you have to do is add this condition, new condition,
Uh-huh.
and then use the new status, right?
Yeah. Okay. So just check the condition and add the status. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, Shirshak.
Okay, Anand. Thank you.
Can we? When do you think you will be done with the code change?
This
Maybe we can review that.
okay, the one we just talked about, right?
Yeah.
Maybe by today evening or like at max tomorrow.
Okay. The quick test that you can do. If you find an existing data point, right? Ask somebody
Yeah.
to provide an existing data point, right?
Yeah.
Or for example, let me go back here.
Yeah, Mahesh, I was waiting for Mahesh to provide me the data point. He said he will provide it to me.
I'll give you the clue, okay? 1 minute. So, let's say you test that in the dev environment, okay? Let's see. Okay, I'm just searching one order. Okay. So this is, for example, let me get latest one. So this is a completed one, right? Let me see this one, right? Why this managing entity? It's quite old. Maybe the dev is not good. Let me go to the other one. QA, let me go there. Okay, so we can pick. Let me find the one that is completed. So this is the one completed, right? For example,
Yeah, that looks. Yeah, that is
you
good.
can check with Madhav. Madhav, right? I get confused with his name, Madhav or Mahesh.
Mice, yeah, mice.
Mahesh.
Yeah,
You can, ask him how to reset the status to new, right? And
yes.
then reflow that same data point.
Uh,
Okay.
uh,
You don't even have to but you need some other data point. 1 minute. You need a data point. 1 minute. Think. So in DIT, let's see. Okay. Let's see whether we have a data point here where the customer migration is not null. Okay, so there are few. What you can do is service IDs, right? And let's see what is the status on that. Okay. It's not there. Maybe let me just not look at this guy. Might be the wrong one. Where service ID in? What is wrong with that? Okay. Unfortunately, there is no data point that matches, the customer migration is equal to Y or yes.
okay.
So you will have to flow an order. So for order flowing, right?
Yeah.
Let me make sure in the order, right?
Yeah.
You need to. The order has this. This is just an example. Okay. So whoever helps you, you will have to, when you flow an order, you need to ensure that these are the order attributes that are set. Don't worry about the value, right?
Okay.
But these are the three different attributes. So this is the main attribute that we are interested in, right?
Yeah, correct.
So make sure that you set that when you flow an order.
Sure. I'll do that. Yeah.
And use his help because you probably might get stuck somewhere while flowing an order.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure, sure.
Use his help or Kathir as well. Okay.
Kathir and Mahesh.
Yeah.
Got it.
All right. Do you think we can like meet sometime Tuesday, Wednesday?
Tuesday, Wednesday. Today is Wednesday.
Next week.
Next Tuesday, like make the changes for the
Make the change and do a little bit of a testing as well.
yeah, sure, sure. We can do that. Yeah, I can certainly do that. Yeah, we can
Yeah,
do.
because you already know where the change is, right? So
Yeah, I already know the
you
changes.
you don't even have to scratch your head.
Yeah, yeah, correct. Definitely, definitely, Anand. We can do next
It's
Tuesday.
just a matter of now compiling the change and then being able to flow an order, right?
Yeah, correct.
So so your change basically will get executed when 1 minute. I'll tell you one thing. Let's see whether we have. We don't have. Okay. But the thing is, once you flow an order, right? So this is initially it will get persisted as a new status, right?
Mm-hmm.
And when that task completes, so instead of implement complete, you should see the pending migration status there. Okay.
Yeah, correct.
In this column.
Correct.
And the other columns as well from the trail table, etc.
Okay, correct. Okay, got it.
Okay.
So, sure.
All right, Sirsha, let's sync up next week then.
Okay, sure, Anand.
Okay, bye.
Thank you. Bye.